Hey, I went shopping the other day and I actually picked up the most epic thing ever, and I felt the need to share it with you. And I know in particular one is going to be in love. Love, I tell you, love. Mwah. Sorry, ignore my hair. Right, what I got the other day. Henry desk vacuum. Oh my god. And the greatest thing is, it's good, clean, fun, which is not me at all, is it, guys? Come on. So, I'm gonna, look, the perfect little companion for your desktop. Henry is always there when you need a friend to help you, to help tidy your desk. Fear not the rising tides of dusts and crumbs. For Henry, a true icon of domestic life, is here to take the bad things away with a smile. How much does that paragraph just describe Henry perfectly? I don't know that's what it's supposed to do, but it's insane. So, I've never opened it, I have no idea how you use it, I have no idea where the batteries go, but I do have a pot of batteries. So, I'm gonna open it for you guys. I'm quite excited really, I've got a little Hoover. Okay, so, on my days it has a little thingy and everything, oh Christ. Right, what's in the bottom of that? Nothing in the bottom. Ah, my hand is stuck. Right, there's nothing in the bottom. Right, cute as the bag is, I'm more interested in little Henry. Oh Christ. Oh my days. Guys, look. It's got a little thingy and everything. Look. Oh Christ. This thing is insane. Like, that's actually, right, now I've got to make it work. Right, this box. Okay. To insert or replace batteries, unscrew battery cover. Unscrew battery cover. Helpful. Unscrew battery cover and insert batteries, blah 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 blah, polarity guide, blah blah blah, inserting battery cover is blah blah blah. Oh, you cock, I need a screwdriver. It's not good for the video, is it? That's what you get for trying to have a cool idea. Go on, please work. Don't fuck up my video just for this, please. Okay, this might not work, but it could really fuck me off. That's not working. Oh my days, oh my days, oh my days. Right, wait. Okay. Come on, blood. Come now, blood, yes. You're not actually opening, you just twist it back once. Not having anything messing up my video. Although I really should have looked at it first. It would have helped. Crap, Mum's gone upstairs. Don't come off on the video. Don't do that. Sorry guys, it's taking ages. screwdriver is almost out. Come on. Yay, it's out. Oh my days. I'm sorry guys. It'd be worse if the batteries I had didn't work. Then I would give up on the video. Let's take that out though. Oh my gosh, I reckon you're right. You could even use this as a little stash box. How cool is that? Okay, so at the pot of batteries, I'm going to go for the Duracell just because I almost said Durex. Well done, Billy. Almost. Batteries. Cover. Not screwing that back on just yet. Henry. And now. I turned it on. It's a bit shit really. Wait, I've just realised something. How is this supposed to work? Right, hang on, if you take off the head, these are not even connected. Someone just tell me how this is supposed to work. Please. I'm a bit baffled. I'm a little bit baffled. Oh, does it suck? Oh, I get it. But it doesn't seem to be strong enough. Let's try that again, yeah? I'm just going to try it again. I'm actually going to try Hoover the floor. You don't want to watch me Hoover the floor. So, excuse my floor. My floor's a mess. Right, we've got messy floor. Hang on. No, don't do that. Right, messy floor. Messy floor. Okay, now. Oh my god. I'm sorry, this does not work at all. Oh my days, it does not work. I'm well annoyed. Look, it can't even pick up huge chunky things. Okay guys, now I have a Hoover that looks really cute. Like, I've got a little mini Henry and everything, but it's crap. So do you know what, right, I've got one more idea. Just one more idea. And for this, oops, you can go back up there. Right, my last idea is that these batteries are crap. So, we'll take out the expensive batteries. And we'll put in 2 cheap batteries. Okay. Cover. Okay. Hoover. That's more like a Hoover sound. The other batteries are a bit dead. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my god, it did it! Look, oh my god, it's actually getting rid of them. It's taking a while, but it's getting rid of them. Okay, not that bit there. But look. Ah! Gone. Oh my days. Look. Oh my days. Oh my Christ. It actually works. Look at this piece here. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, it doesn't work on big bits. But hang on. Now, oh my god, look, it's even got a little handle. So if we pick it up and put it on my desk, well, if we can fit it on my desk, where can it fit? Okay, well, we'll just push all this stuff back. Sugar, I just dropped the screw. It'll probably work on here, so here we go. Oh my days, yeah, it works on the desk. So guys, that's Henry. How do you love him? He cute, right?